Imagine meeting someone who looks 10 years younger than their age. You ask their secret, and they smile knowingly. They haven't discovered the fountain of youth, but they have mastered the art of aging gracefully. Their skin glows, their eyes sparkle, and they move with a youthful energy. This could be you. With the right tips and tricks, you can look younger naturally. Aging is natural, but looking older isn't inevitable. Modern science and ancient wisdom offer ways to maintain a youthful appearance. From diet and exercise to skincare and mental wellness, there are strategies to help you look and feel younger. These strategies are simple, natural, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. As we dive into these tips, keep an open mind and try to implement them. Remember, the journey to looking younger starts with small, consistent steps. So let's embark on this exciting journey together and discover how you can defy age and radiate youth. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. It acts as a barrier, protecting you from the outside world. Taking care of your skin isn't just about vanity, it's about health. A well-cared-for skin reflects a well-cared-for body. It shields you from harmful elements and helps regulate your body temperature. Healthy skin can boost your confidence and self-esteem. How you treat your body affects your overall well-being. Poor lifestyle choices can speed up aging. Taking care of your body enhances vitality. Invest in your future self. This investment pays off in youthful appearance and robust health. Your future self will thank you. One of the simplest ways to look younger is through your diet. What you eat has a direct impact on how you age. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can work wonders for your skin and body. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that combat the aging process. Include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals. They are high in vitamin C and E, which are crucial for skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds keep your skin hydrated and supple. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to keep your skin plump and youthful. Avoid processed foods and sugars, as they can accelerate aging. Instead, opt for whole foods that nourish your body from the inside out. By making these simple dietary changes, you can significantly improve your skin's appearance and overall health. Exercise is a powerful tool in the fight against aging. Regular physical activity boosts circulation, which helps deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your skin. This results in a healthier, more radiant complexion. Exercise also promotes the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. Beyond skin benefits, exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, improves muscle tone, and enhances overall energy levels. It can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases that can age you prematurely, such as heart disease and diabetes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or lifting weights, find activities you enjoy. The key is consistency. Regular exercise will help you feel and look younger, boosting both your physical and mental health. Skincare routine. Your daily ritual. A good skincare routine is essential for maintaining youthful skin. Start with gentle cleansing to remove dirt and impurities. Follow with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Next, apply a serum rich in antioxidants to protect against environmental damage. Moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Don't forget sunscreen. UV rays are a major cause of premature aging. Wearing sunscreen daily protects your skin from harmful rays, preventing wrinkles, dark spots, and other signs of aging. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This helps reveal fresh new skin and gives you a radiant complexion. Customize your routine based on your skin type and concerns. Consistency is key. A regular skincare routine can make a significant difference in how youthful your skin looks. Benefits of natural tips. Following these natural tips offers numerous benefits. A healthy diet provides your body with essential nutrients, promoting glowing skin and robust health. Regular exercise enhances circulation, boosts collagen production, and keeps you fit and energetic. A consistent skincare routine protects and nourishes your skin, preventing premature aging. These tips are not only effective, but also sustainable. They promote overall well-being, helping you look and feel younger from the inside out. By adopting these natural strategies, You can enjoy long-term benefits without relying on expensive treatments or invasive procedures. Moreover, these tips are easy to incorporate into your daily life. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. Commit to these practices, and you'll notice a remarkable difference in your appearance and health over time. Share and subscribe for Youthful Secrets. Now that you know the secrets to looking younger, it's time to share them. Spread the word among your friends and family. Encourage them to adopt these simple yet effective tips. Together, you can create a community of youthful, vibrant individuals who support each other in their journey to aging gracefully. Stay updated with more tips and tricks by subscribing to our channel. Get expert advice, the latest research, and inspirational stories delivered straight to you. Knowledge is power, and staying informed will help you continue looking and feeling your best. Don't keep these secrets to yourself. Sharing is caring, and by passing on this knowledge, you can help others enjoy the benefits of looking younger naturally. Join us in spreading the message of health and beauty. The Transformational Impact. Embracing these tips can transform your life. You'll not only look younger, but also feel more energetic and confident. These changes will positively impact your personal and professional life. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed, with glowing skin and a youthful demeanor. Your journey to looking younger begins with a single step. Start by making small changes today. Over time, these small steps will lead to significant improvements. Stay committed, be patient, and enjoy the process. The results will be worth the effort. Remember, age is just a number. With the right habits, you can defy the aging process and enjoy a vibrant, youthful life. Take action now and embrace the journey to looking younger naturally. Your future self will thank you for the care and dedication you put in today.